specific location, we bring in about 200,000 pounds of laundry each day on average for a year. We have 4 other locations similar to this size. Collectively, we're bringing in over 1 million pounds a day.
The amount of laundry Brady Linen washes each day might seem staggering to you, but it's all in a day's work in the resort capital of the world. The company processes nearly 80% of the laundry work on the Las Vegas Strip. That translates to about 1 million pounds of laundry every day. Sheets, towels, and other linens from hotels and restaurants make their way to one of Brady's 5 laundry facilities, where large loads of dirty linens are fed to these massive state-of-the-art tunnel washers.
So tell us about these tunnel washers and how they compare with your average residential washing machine. How much can each one handle?
Yep, a little bit about the tunnel washer. So each one of these pockets can take 150 pounds of linen. Ours are 12 pocket modules here. Some are 6, some are 16, so it varies. And how long each pocket, the time in each pocket varies with the size and length of those modules. So we consider these our highly efficient pieces of equipment. Typically the pockets take anywhere from 2.5 minutes, so we like to say we can produce 150 pounds of linen in about 2 minutes. Why it's so efficient? The acronym for a tunnel washer, CBW, is continuous batch washer. So we can produce thousands and thousands of pounds of sheets that are using the same chemistry, same formulas, and we can do that very efficiently without having to drain each module. At home, typically between every cycle, you are draining the chemistry and any detergents out in between cycles. Here, the pocket is containing all of that material and it just transfers over to the next pocket. So there's reuse in there.
With as much laundry as Brady washes each day, one would assume it takes a substantial amount of water to ensure resorts have clean linens for the millions of guests who visit their properties annually. But these tunnel washing machines are extremely water efficient, only using about a half gallon per pound. The technology saves Brady Linen and our community an astounding 14.9 million gallons of water a year.
So what's the technology behind these tunnel washers that help Brady conserve so much water?
Yeah, there's a lot of technology that goes into them, but I'd say the biggest thing with the pulse flow tunnel washer versus some of the older model tunnels is the customization that it allows us to do with each formula. We can control how much water is going in, the flow rate in each module, and again, going back to the acronym continuous batch washer, we can do a lot, high volume of sheets back to back, high volume of towels back to back, and that continuous batch washing system allows us to get efficient with how we use our water. And the customization, controlling all of those features. In the older tunnel washers, you would be using the same amount of water for a heavy soiled item versus a light soiled item, and this customization lends to less waste of water.
And don't assume that less water means less clean.
I wouldn't say that it's necessarily less water that's used as much as how efficient we are with our water. The continuous batch washing process with 12 modules, 12 pockets, we have a bath in each module that I would say lends to more concentrated with our chemistry instead of like a home style or a conventional washer that a on-premise laundry may use. We don't have draining cycles with every transfer of linen in the module, so we're much more efficient with our linen. We also like to let people know that the counterflow rinse with each transfer of the linen is aggressively agitating the linen and lending to more dilution of the soil that's in them.
Over the past decade, Brady Linen has purchased tunnel washers through the SNWA's Water Efficient Technologies program, WET for short, and the results make it an industry leader. WET offers financial incentives to commercial and multifamily property owners who install water-saving devices and technologies. Dennis, what sort of technologies and devices qualify for rebates through the SNWA's WET program?
Well, commercial and multifamily properties can earn rebates by installing fixtures such as high-efficiency toilets, urinals, or shower heads, or even in larger buildings by upgrading or retrofitting their cooling towers. Also, another example might be converting natural grass sports field to an alternative sports surface.
Since 2001, participating businesses in the Water Efficient Technologies program have saved over 15.6 billion gallons of water, a total that continues to grow. Many of these businesses have completed multiple projects. One key to the program's water-saving success is its flexibility. The WET program allows businesses to pool savings across multiple locations. Businesses also can choose to customize technologies that meet their specific needs, and then qualify for a performance-based monetary incentive. They earn a rebate of up to $45 per 1,000 gallons saved. All projects must be pre-approved, save at least 100,000 gallons of water per year, and be capable of lasting 10 years. Water savings, along with the WET program incentive, offer businesses a chance to do their part as Southern Nevada continues to fight the prolonged drought.
Continuing conservation is a priority at the SNWA, and we're just asking everybody to do their part, whether it's taking out grass in the backyard of a residential property or installing water-efficient technologies such as here at Brady Linen. Commercial and multifamily properties play an important role as they have a large water footprint in the community. Brady Linen is a leader in industry and a great example of how our WET program can help businesses meet their needs and save water all at the same time.
From a large business perspective, any savings that we could realize in water efficiency can be used elsewhere in the company, other investments in technology, things of that nature. As far as a member of the community here in Southern Nevada, we live in drought conditions here and need to be mindful of that. We're a leading consumer in the Southern Nevada region for water, and becoming a more scarce resource, we need to be very responsible with how we treat that.